Action idioms to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And today I'm going to do something a little different. We're going to share a bunch of action idioms, and you're going to share in the comments below your favorite go-to idiom to encourage people to take action, to encourage yourself to take action. Some of my favorites, I'm going to share those first. I'm going to share a list of like 36 different ones that you could choose from and see if one of those is your favorite or not. I'm not even sure if any of these are on the list that I put together yesterday, but let's go ahead and talk about them quickly. So what's your favorite action idiom? Some of mine are get your rear end gear. My mom and dad used to both use that with my sisters and I when we were growing up. Chop, chop, zip, zip comes from, and I don't even know if it's an idiom, but it came from a contractor that I worked with in real estate for a long time. And he would always say, chop, chop, zip, zip, meaning get moving, let's get going, get on with it, etc. Pokey little puppy reminds me of my sister that's a year younger than me. When she was little, and she's not like this at all anymore. So it's just amazing for me to laugh and remember that she was a pokey little puppy. And sometimes that's appropriate to remind people, hey, you're dawdling, you're not making a decision, get moving, let's go. I like to say, do what you can with what you've got right now to take action and get moving. Act now, of course, one of my favorite. Figure out the details later. I guess I didn't think of this until right now, but it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission. That was my philosophy all through my corporate career, and it served me very well. Once in a while, I'd make a mistake and have to ask for forgiveness, but for the most part, got a whole lot done by just taking action and doing it versus waiting for permission. The bigger the organization, the longer it takes to get anything done. That's been my experience. Move it or lose it. I like that one. And then be a self-starter. Think for yourself and be a self-starter. I say these things all the time. So those are some of my favorites, and I'd love for you to share even just one of your favorites or one that pops into your head as you're thinking about idioms about taking action, encouraging yourself. I also say you got this. I tell myself you got this and other people you've got this all the time to encourage them to move and act and take action. So what are some idioms about taking action? And we've talked about a lot of these over the last several years. And if we haven't, and there's one you want to know the history of, ask in the comments below, and I'll be glad to research it, and we'll share that soon. Here they are. Bust a move, swing into action, take the bull by the horns. We've definitely talked about that one. Get in on the act. We've talked about that one. Get the show on the road. Yep. Take the plunge. Yep. Get down to business. Yep. Not let grass grow under your feet. Step up to the plate. Throw caution to the wind. Break thin ice. I got to put my finger here. I'm not going to keep my place. Call the tune. It's an interesting one. Cut to the chase. Do one's thing. I like that one. Do one thing. Do your own thing. Hey, just do something. Do the needful. I don't think I've ever heard or talked about that one. Fish or cut bait. Get the ball all rolling. Make up one's mind. Set the stage. Start the ball rolling. Actions speak louder than words. Go into overdrive. Get off on a tangent. Get off the rails, go out of your own way, go to extremes, go to pieces, go with the flow, grease the skids. I don't think we've talked about that one. Grin and bear it, handle with kid gloves. I can't read this one. Oh, haul someone over the coals. That's not a very nice one, but we have definitely talked about that one. And then again, I can't read this one. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of them. There are literally probably hundreds, if not thousands of idioms that have something to do with action, taking action, making a decision, etc. So share one in the comments below that you really, really like or that you catch yourself using often. Because if you catch yourself using it often, you probably really, really like it or can relate to it. That's it. Have an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have an amazing day.